Hello, welcome to my channel For the Love of Beauty. I am here to show you what I've made to exfoliate my skin. So if you want to see how I made this honey, lemon, and brown sugar exfoliant, go and watch my previous video. This is my first time using it. It is brown sugar, raw honey, and I have a lemon. This stuff's supposed to last for about 2 weeks, and I will keep it refrigerated. And this is what it looks like. So it's kind of loosely. You can make it as loose as you want, or as dry as you want it. You can feel the sugar in it because it's gritty. And that's what you want. You want the grit. The grit going to help, exfoliate your skin. Okay, so what I am going to do is wet my face a little bit. So I'm wetting my face a little bit with water. And I'm going to take about this much and start, rubbing in my skin. You can feel it too, you guys. Not only if you can use brown sugar, you can use, the regular sugar. Make sure I get my lips too. That's what I like about this is the grit. That will help you, will help get that dead skin off your face. This is what you want. You want the grit. You want the, feel like you're rubbing sandpaper on your face. That's what you want. Okay. Now I'm going to rinse this off my face. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. I am loving it, y'all. The brown sugar, lemon, raw honey scrub. Wow. Now I'm going to put a little on my face for moisturizing the skin. I do use a toner, you guys, before I moisturize my face, but I'm not going to add it in this video. I didn't put it in this video, so I'm not going to add it in there. I'm going to skip the toning, which I use witch hazel. All right, you guys, my face feels so smooth. It feels so smooth. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. Now I'm getting ready to go to bed. I have my night gown on. So, and please stay tuned for many more videos coming your way. I'm just trying to knock them all out the way. So thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned and be blessed. Bye-bye. Love you all. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Comment and thumbs up my videos, but if you thumbs down, just know that I thank you for the view. Thank you so much and be blessed. Bye-bye.